Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Everytime Korean Red Ginseng, a supplement well known in Asia for boosting energy, immunity, and stamina. We wanted to see if the health benefits are real or if it's just a traditional hype. After testing, we noticed more steady daytime energy and reduced fatigue. The taste is strong, but the liquid sticks are convenient for travel and daily use. Pros: it's made from high quality Korean ginseng. It supports immunity and energy naturally, and it's easy to take without mixing powders or pills. Cons: the taste may be too bitter for some people, and the effects are more about subtle stamina than immediate boosts. It's also pricier than generic ginseng products. Overall, every time Korean red ginseng delivers real health benefits when used consistently, and it's one of the most trusted ginseng supplements on the market. This has been How to Literally Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam Free.